It is unseasonably warm out there, George, but winter, summer, warm, cold, generally you find the right shots in West Michigan, they're going to be pretty.
Yeah, any of those aerial shots look great to me, absolutely, especially on a day like today. And we've got more of these coming up next several as winter has seemed to have departed for a while, but we'll show you it hasn't. 13 weather ball is green here tonight. That means no change to our weather pattern foreseen through at least Monday. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Tomorrow, nothing but sunshine from start to end, unlike today where we had a lot of mid and high clouds up through the middle of the day. And we should match today's temperature tomorrow, getting up into the low and mid 50s. The winds will be out of the west tomorrow. Because it's out of the west, we won't get as warm as we could, but as Laura mentioned, great golfing weather perhaps here during the day tomorrow. The winds will be out of the south and southwest, about 7 to 14 miles an hour, and up until about mid-afternoon, you'll need your sunglasses, especially here tomorrow. You needed your sunglasses in the afternoon over along the lakeshore earlier this afternoon from the Windmill Islands Garden Camp. You could see the sun came out nicely in the afternoon, and temperatures responded very well up to a record high 60 degrees, and now you're cooling off a bit. You'll drop down into the 40s overnight tonight. As I mentioned, a winter not anywhere near over. This is the week 3 to 4 temperature outlook. It goes beyond the 14-day outlook, which we show you occasionally, up until the middle of March. Looks like we have a very high probability that we'll return to colder weather. This is taking us from March 4th through the 17th. And interestingly enough, no major weather systems coming through, so we have a lower chances for precipitation over the Great Lakes region. That does not include what we might see for lake effect. Looks like the jet stream is going to be well down to the south, taking all of the wet weather in the southeast U.S. That may mean severe weather for those folks, not here. We've had a lot of clear skies throughout the afternoon, and it will stay that way through the entire weekend. Big ridge of high pressure over the Midwest, just blocking all of the showers and storms and keeping them away from us. They're down along the Gulf Coast, of course, and one of several systems coming into the California region once again, replenishing and overtopping a lot of those reservoirs out there. We're going to see some showers here in West Michigan long about Tuesday, and then there'll be another round toward the end of next week, which will turn us a little bit colder for next weekend. So enjoy this weekend as you get out and about. Lots of sunshine here tomorrow. Again, sunglasses mandatory, upper 40s to near 50 north, mid 50s down to the south. You notice that's a few degrees cooler than today. That's because the winds will be coming in off the lake rather than off of the land. Water temperatures out over the lake are in the mid 30s. Inland, we're going to be in the low and mid 50s up north. Winds are going to be picking up out of the west, southwest, about 8 to 16 up north. And from Grand Rapids southward, we'll be in the mid 50s to near 60 with that sunshine. And again, here in downtown Grand Rapids, our winds will be picking up out of the southwest to west, about 6 to 12 miles an hour. And that sun's still coming up there about 7:42. After near record highs tomorrow of 55, our record is 56 in Grand Rapids. We're going to see some fog develop, I think, late Saturday night and Sunday morning, and then only up to around 53 in the afternoon, but bouncing back to 57 on Monday. And then there's those showers on Tuesday, as I mentioned, and we'll stay in the 50s again through Wednesday. 13 on target forecast. A dry Wednesday, and then as we talked about for the past couple of days, some stormier weather for the second half of next week. There may be some showers now as early as Thursday afternoon and Thursday night, but the real weather will come on Friday with showers, thunderstorms, maybe near record highs now. And then on the tail end of that, there may be an inch and a half of snow to wrap up on Saturday. But right now, Oscar Sunday around 40 and then 38 on Monday. So again, winter's not over by any means.